Hey guys, welcome to the new video of my channel All in One Gamer. In today's video, I am going to unbox the Google Nest Mini second generation. I just bought it recently in lockdown and it took 1 week to reach at my house. I ordered it from Tata Click. You can see its features: YouTube Music, Ghana, Google Calendar, Google Duo, Philips, Netflix, Google Assistant, and more. Here's the back side, and here's the MRP. You can see the MRP is 4500, but I ordered it for 3300. So let's unbox it. Now I have cut the seal, so let's remove it. You can see the box is really packed goodly and it looks really amazing. Let's open the box. It's really tight, and here we go. You can see the Google Nest Mini. Here is the wall hanging option. Here is the mute mic option. Here is the power cable. Let's see what's in here. Here is some quick start guide from Google that no one reads. And let's see what's here. Here is the Google branding charger. You need to keep it connected to the Google Nest Mini to make the Google Mini power on. It's having clips. So I will open it and attach the Google to the power and bring it to you. Before plugging in, I want to show you there's a Google branding on the charger, and you can see the back of the charger. It looks really good, and it's really big in size and is round. So let's plug in.
Hi, Namaste. To get started, download the Google Home app. आरंभ करने के लिए Google Home app डाउनलोड करें.
So we will download the Google Home app and come back. You can download the Google Home app from the Play Store. And now let's open it. I'll come after logging in. So here it has found my Nest Mini. We'll click on yes. Yes. I'll choose bedroom. Okay. It is connecting to the Wi-Fi. You can see the dots appearing here. Now it has connected. Let's see what it can do. Okay, we'll activate the voice match on this. I already set up my voice in this phone, so it looks like they have already found a voice match. Okay, it's processing. Click on agree. They are asking for my home address. I'll put it and come back. So here we have to set a default music service. I'll select Ghana. I'll select Ghana. Okay. You have to link your account to Ghana. I'll use Google YouTube Music now. I don't need Netflix. I don't use it. You need to connect your Google Duo account if you want to the smart speaker. I'll skip this. Now they want to stay in the no date. They have to set the date. I'll click on sign up and okay. Next, we'll get to know the controls of play pause. You can play pause by clicking this. Okay. Next, change volume by clicking on this. Okay, next, mic switch. We can turn off the mic by slide using this button which is placed here with
The mic's off. The microphone is back on.
okay. Next, let's continue.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant, here to help. To learn a few things you can do, continue in the Google Home app.
Okay, it's all set up. Now we'll say, okay Google, what's the weather?
Right now in Faguara it's 41 degrees and sunny. Today, it'll be clear, with a forecasted high of 41 and a low of 27. If you ever want to know what time it is, just ask.
Okay. When I said okay Google, the phone Google also came out.
I don't see any Chromecasts or cast-enabled TVs linked to...
Let's turn off the phone. Okay Google, what's the time?
It's 3:44 p.m.
Okay. Okay Google, can you call someone?
Who do you want to audio call?
No one.
Making an audio call to Harman Second, no on Duo.
Google. Okay Google, stop. I found a हिंदी फीचर. ओके गूगल, तो कैसे हो तुम?
चल रही है गाड़ी. फरमाइए, मैं आपकी कैसे मदद करूं?
ओके गूगल, मैं बोर हो रहा हूँ.
जिज्ञासा मेरा उपनाम है. मुझे दुनिया भर की चीजों में दिलचस्पी है.
ओके गूगल, मुझे जोक सुनाओ.
Sorry, I don't understand.
ओके गूगल, क्या तुम मुझे गाना गा सकते हो?
जरूर, ये रहा गाना पर म्यूजिक.
I don't wanna get copyright. So thank you guys for watching this video. This was a small video of just unboxing. I'll bring a new video of other features of Google Assistant. Thank you.